Oh. Found the stag. It's dead.
You don't say. That's probably because I killed it. Now take its skin.
What?
The skin, peel it off. Take it. Or would you rather I take some off the boy? Good. Almost there, Ellis.
What now? What?
The symbol. I want you to make one. You have the twigs. You have the skin. All that is left is to use them. So hurry up.
Fine. Have it your way. Fucking nutcase. Satisfied?
Not quite. There is one more thing. Now, this one's easy. You've done it before. But first, let the mutt sniff the symbol. He'll take you right where you need to go.
How? The only scent he'll get is my own.
Just do it.
Peel! Bullet. Buddy. Wait. You're not afraid of it?
Did you really think slapping some twigs together would be enough? It's not ready yet.
Just one bar. This could be my last chance.
The number you have dialed is currently unavailable. Please leave a message after the beep.
Figures. Jess. Hey, I was hoping I'd get to talk to you one more time. Guess it wasn't meant to be. Story of my life, huh? Listen, that thing I was gonna tell you once I got back. Well, looks like I might not get that chance. Please, understand, I'm not giving up. I just need to see this through. I have to. But in case you don't hear from me again, I want you to know you were the best thing that ever happened to me. And I'm sorry I screwed it up. I wish I could fix it. I wish we could go back to the way things were. I wish I was good enough. I love you, Jess. I always will. Goodbye.
Like you're curious what's in there. You know what you have to do to find out.
Go on, boy. Check it out. Yeah, good boy.
Tell me, Ellis, how does it feel to rely on someone who killed your friend? Who do you despise more, me or yourself, for being so powerless?
Keep talking. Before this is over, I'll make you pay for what you did.
I used to hate myself. I despised how weak I was. Well, I tried to fight it. I kicked, scratched, and bit, but it's all useless. Don't move.
What? Again?
Just stand still, Ellis. Crouch. Stand up. And go. You see, Ellis, you do what you were told and everything is simple, painless. Some things are just too big to be defied. We're like birds caught in barbed wire. The more we struggle, the deeper the spikes go. The only way to end your suffering is to surrender.
So your only solution was to just give up?
I moved beyond what I once was.
I don't like the look of this, buddy. Not one bit. So what is it? Another body?
Wouldn't you like to know?
What? I don't understand.
You're almost there. Almost free. Just one more step, that's all it takes.
You want me to kill myself?
I gave you what you wanted all these years. No, I'll kill the dog. Bury it.
What? No, fuck you, no!
It'll be quick. Think about it. I could have left you a knife.
No, I will not kill Bullet!
But this is where you draw the line. A fucking dog.
I should have drawn one long ago. I'm not doing this anymore.
Oh, you brought this on yourself. On the boy.
Stop hiding behind a child, you coward!
Ah!
God damn it! What the? No. That's impossible. Bullet, no! Hey, Bullet! Wait up! Bullet! Hey, Bullet! Wait up! Bullet! Hold on, boy, I'm coming. Oh God, no, please. Don't move, buddy. Don't move. Shh, 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 shh. It's gonna be fine. Let me just, Boy, you're heavy. Someone's been eating too much scraps from the table. Gonna have to take longer walks, buddy. All around the block. I'm not kidding. Good boy. It's okay. It's gonna be okay. I know, buddy. Just a little further. It'll be all right, buddy. This place. We've been here before. Not this again. Were you always this heavy? Another loop. This is hopeless. Easy, boy. Easy. I'm here. I'm with you. Leaving anyone. We came here together, we're walking out together.
somewhere to riddle snap and kill his wife.
Hey, sicko, I want to talk. Come in. I need to ask you something. Hey, are you there?
You shouldn't trust him.
Creepy.
Don't come too close. We don't know what he'll do. Shh. It's him. Sheriff's too soft. You shouldn't have let him come. Now he'll drag us all down.
Come in. I need to ask you something. Hey, are you there?
You think he was the one behind Peter's disappearance? He shot one brother. He could have kidnapped the other.
Sheriff.
God damn it, Ellis, I've been trying to reach you for hours. Anyway, I just wanted to say that we're dropping the search. It's nothing personal. But hey, you left him there to die. It's only fair you die alone out there as well. Goodbye, Ellis.
Calm down. Just calm down. You let everyone down. No, like I can't take it anymore! Make it stop!
Alice.
Work, damn it!
Damned pieces.
What happened to his dog? You think he did something to him?
Don't keep me waiting. Come to me, Alice. I'm waiting. Keep me waiting. Come to me, Alice. I'm waiting.
Bullet?
He's a good boy. Yes, you are. That's right.
Bullet. Oh gosh, bullet. No. Oh, this is too much. Oh, what have I done? Jess? I was at... Jess? Fuck. Weak.
Don't leave me.
Just kill me already! Pitiful. What the? So you're still struggling, huh? What did you do with the kid? The kid. That's what you're worried about. Stupid little man, I could have slit your throat and wear your skin. Then why don't you? You'll have to work for that. You see what you've done? Try as you might, you can only do harm. No. You did this. Me? All I did was give you a choice. You chose the dog, and now it's dead. I failed you. I failed you all. Now you have nothing. Now you are ready. Come. It's time. Jess, I'm so sorry. I was so lost, trapped in my own mind.
I tried to reach you.
I know, and I pushed you away. You couldn't have known what I was going through. I should have told you. I will.
Alice.
Jess, please forgive me. I don't want to lose you. I can't. I love you so much.
I love you too, Alice. But it's not as easy as saying sorry.
I know.
But it's a start.